Ollie! There you are!
It's no use. I can build another prototype. You have no way of stopping me!
Oh, I've got one way.
Archie?
So sure I was gonna kill you. Fuck! Would have been so much easier too. You know, I didn't start working with you for the money. I mean, sure, I thought you were a spoiled asshole with too much hair wax, by the way. But you had a dream. Remember? You told me you wanted to see humanity reach the stars. We're gonna do that together, man.
I lied to you, you naive fuck.
Prick.
I'll hunt you down. And all your little friends back in San Francisco. Sitara, Josh, Marcus.
Sayonara, dick.
I won't lie. I didn't expect you to turn him over to Albie in custody.
Well, I asked myself, what would Aiden Pierce do? And then I asked myself, is that who I really wanted to be? Look, no offense, big guy.
I think you made the right call.
Even if I wanted to smash him into teeny tiny little pieces and scatter them all over the Thames and turn him into seagull shit.
Well, progress is a journey. What's next on the docket for you? Heading home?
Nah, I think I might hang around London for a bit, wrap up a few things. But I do think I'll give Marcus a call, though. Actually, hey, yeah, I wanna take a selfie in front of Big Ben and send it to him. Or maybe I should go to Buckingham Palace and steal a roll of some royal TP. Get him a souvenir.
Great. Looks like whatever trouble you get into, we'll have to fish you out of it.
Aw, that's so sweet. What a nice family moment. We really do make the dream team, don't we? Jackson and his two uncles.
Two uncles?
Shh, shh. It's okay. Don't worry about it.
Wow, looks like the three of you got a lot done together.